As the country continues to grapple with violence in schools, one tutor is exploring the use of martial arts to help with conflict resolution. She believes martial arts can be used to foster more discipline to prevent escalation or get students being bullied to defend themselves. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Self-defense, something you won't necessarily find on a timetable. But it's now a common thought among parents and their children as the experience at schools become more violent. Nicola Hazel has been teaching students martial arts for over a decade.
If you have to defend yourself and if you can speak peace, you can. Because our first offense is to not say run, but be safe. The second one is call an adult. So those are part of taking care of yourself. Right, you don't have to run in and fight.
With bullying in schools rampant, she contends that martial arts is an avenue worthy of exploration.
It can help. One, you learn to defend yourself. Two, you learn to speak up for yourself. And that's martial arts.
But there's a big misconception. Many believe
that it makes your child violent or it makes a person violent. No, it gives a person, a child, control.
This was Education Minister Favour Williams during her back-to-school message 7 months ago.
We are ready to empower our students for success in an ever-evolving world. Health and safety remain paramount.
The United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, also says children should be protected from violence in school. It says, every child has the right to go to school and learn free from fear. At its most extreme, violence in and around schools can be deadly. And we've seen that in recent time. Just over a week ago, a 15-year-old boy was fatally stabbed at school by his classmate during an altercation. Prior to that, police were left probing several incidents involving several prominent high schools in the corporate area after violent clashes among groups of students were being circulated on social media.
Have a lot of kids bully them. And because they're young kids, from they can't stand up for themselves, bullies backed off. And I see where that help, and parents call and testify like, this thing really helps.
Ms. Hazel has trained students from several schools. Halfway Tree Primary and St. Aloysius are among the long list. But in recent time, she's observed where most parents are misguided. The realization as the perception of the sport is not the same.
Nowadays, it's like parents are doing it for the styles, or not all, for style and wearing the uniform and that my child does karate. But they're missing the essence of responsibility, respect, nobility. That's what karate, martial arts and all teaches.
However, some parents are all for it.
In this time now, with the bully them, it is good for them to defend themselves, increase self-discipline, and build them confidence more.
I would let my children do it. I definitely think it helps children build confidence and self-defense skills, which could prevent bullies or even help them defend themselves if necessary.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.